Yo, Cubing Nation here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to solve the 2x2. The first step to solving it is to make 3 whites. It doesn't have to have be matching, it just has to be 3 whites. So just making 3 whites is pretty easy. So it won't take long to get used to making it pretty quick. The next step is to put the other white piece right here. So what you want to do is find the white piece and then put it underneath of here. Here's mine, and there's 3 cases. If the white is facing here, here, or here. If the white is facing in front of you, do D prime, R prime, D, R. If the white is facing the bottom, then do R prime, D2, R, D, R prime, D prime, R. If the white piece is facing right, do R prime, D prime, R. So now that leaves you into the next step, solving the layer. If you have 2 matching already, put it in the back, and you only need to do this algorithm once. If you have no matching ones, you're going to do this algorithm twice. You're going to do R prime, D prime, R, L, D, L prime, R prime, D prime, R. Then you would put that matching 1 in the back. If you didn't already have a matching 1 at the beginning, then you just do that algorithm again. R prime, D prime, R, L, D, L prime, R prime, D prime, R. Then you got the layer. The next part is to put the white on the bottom, and now we're focusing on this part. If you have only 1 white or 1 here and 1 here, put one of those, put the white, the yellow here. I was meant to say yellow that whole time. If you have 1 yellow here or on both of these, then you want to put 1 here, and then do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Here, like I said, if you have 2, then just put 1 on the bottom and then do the algorithm. It can be any of these 2, but at least put 1 in the bottom. Do this algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And now that leaves us to the next case. If you have 2, just do the same algorithm, and you keep doing those things until you solve the yellow. So R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Then you put that there. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Put that there again. And when you see the yellow here and a yellow here, That means you have to only do the algorithm one more time. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Now you have this done. The next step is to solve the last layer. If you have 2 done, put that with this matching thing and put that in the back. If you don't, then you just do this algorithm twice. And when you do the one first, you gotta match it up and put it in the back, and then just do it again. So the algorithm is R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R, B2, R2, B2, U. Here's the other way it could be, and it's like this. So this is when you have to do it twice. So just put this in front of you on like the right, and then do that algorithm R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R, B2, R2, B2, and then you put the match up the layer, and then do that again. R, F, wait, R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R, B2, R2, B2, and then you just solve it. And that's how you solve the 2x2.